So today I'm gonna share with you what I got in some of my Black Friday season orders. I'm gonna start with Timeless. Timeless is small niche independent brand which I already purchased from previously, and I have a few empties as well, but since they were doing 50% off, I decided to pick up few items. First item is their vitamin B5 serum with hyaluronic acid. This is a hydrating serum which you can apply either morning or evening. Then I have their eye cream. Previously I have their hydrating one which comes in a pump, but I decided to give it a try for their dark circle eye cream with hyaluronic acid, Matrixyl and eyelash. Okay, what do you do? Formulated with gentle, safe, effective ingredient that hydrate, nourish, protect the skin. Lightweight eye cream that dries fast and clear. No oily residue. See the package, so it's similar as the other one. And pump, yes. Okay, so let's see. Come on. Okay, the consistency is different, but not really. It's still a gel, but it's yellowish in color, while this was more clear. I pick up another peptide serum with Matrixyl, and do I need it? No, but since it was half price, I got their vitamin C serum with ferulic acid. It was either $12 or $13. So for that price, guess what? You cannot really beat it. So yes, I did pick up another bottle. Then I pick up two of their mists. One is with hyaluronic acid, Matrixyl and rose extract, and other is hyaluronic acid, Matrixyl and cucumber. Rose extract rejuvenates skin, anti-aging, softens. Cucumber soothes, cools and softens skin. Okay, so let's take it out. It's a nice colorful bottle, 120 ml. For sure I'm gonna give a try for those items. And then the second order from Ziaja, I did video about the product, so I can easily link it. Now I pick up a few items, and let me start. What can I start? Oh, face mask. They introduced honey mask, so I have here Tapioca honey sweet face mask, smoothing face mask for dry and sensitive skin. And then the second one is the Dandelion honey soothing face mask for normal skin. So yeah, I will give a try, especially that honey, it's very good for your skin. I do enjoy their avocado line, so I pick up two of their body butters, which are wonderful. Now I do like their body lotion. This is my empty, and this is like a nice blanket because it does hydrates, it leaves your skin smooth, sheen. Okay, when you apply it, you have that nice sheen, and it's a big container. It's 14 ounce, which is 400 ml, meaning it's gonna last you for a while. So yes, I was tempting to pick up another one, but because the bottle is so big, I knew it's gonna be a while before I use it, and I have a lot of products to go through. So I decided to go for the bottle, which I have previously, and yes, I did pick it up, especially now that we have winter and you want something heavier. The same line, I have their Avocado Cream, which is great. It's one of those things which you want to apply it where nothing else works. Avocado, regenerating face cream for dry, tired skin. Nourishes and releases dry skin. Reduces the feeling of roughness. Effectively moisturize. Makes skin look healthy, relaxed and natural. And a couple of the few key ingredients. Avocado oil and vitamin E. And yes, vitamin E, it's really great because even when your skin is really dry, vitamin E, it's one of those boring ingredients, which guess what, it's gonna work and it's gonna make difference in your skin. And I have their Jasmine Cream, which is anti-wrinkle, micro collagen and hyaluronic acid. I think I was watching video and someone recommended, so I decided why not. It was kind of cheaper. Okay, so let's see what they say. Improve skin density, prevent skin slacking, smooth out wrinkles, regenerates, reduce dark circles. Okay, so let's see what this thing's gonna do. Another item is the goat milk body lotion. I do enjoy their body butters, but I didn't get a chance to try the lotion, so this was the perfect opportunity. During Black Friday they were doing 30% off, but every day, I believe if you spend more than $60, you can get 10% off. As a free gift, I received their Rose Butter Anti-Wrinkle Night Cream for dry and sensitive skin. It's a nice product, I have it previously, and now I have nothing bad to say about it. And then they give you a whole bunch of different samples. So far, that's what I got, and I see you next time. Bye!